Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be trying out the Urban Decay Decades palette. This sent over all 4 of them and I'm so happy to try them out. I'm going to be doing a little tutorial using one of the palettes. I was looking at which one I wanted to try and they're all so beautiful, but I am more intrigued about the Boogie, the 70s eyeshadow palette. This one is just so stunning. There's a specific glitter one right here that I'm like really interested to try, and it's like a glitter shadow, so that one I need to try. Like, I think I have like a vision of this eyeshadow that I want to create, and I'm going to try this one out. We're also going to see they have the 2000s, which is the soundtrack palette, and it looks like this. This one has more of a shimmer palette. Even this red color right here, like this burgundy color, has a bit of shimmer. You might not be able to see it. I'm going to be putting swatches here so you guys can see the palettes. Everything looks really nice. I'm going to also put the price down here because I'm not sure how much these are. And I think these are already available at Ulta. So if you guys want to try to get those, you guys could get them at Ulta. And I'm pretty sure at urbandecay.com. But this one, it is the 80s eyeshadow palette. And it looks like this. And we also have the 90s, which is a 1993. That's the year my sister was born. I was born in 1994. But the colors look like this. I wish I could use this palette, but the only one that's getting my attention is that green color, to be honest. And I don't know if I wanted to use that color today. So that's why I was more intrigued about the 70s eyeshadow palette, because it has that specific glitter. And I kind of want to do like a little holiday look, and I feel like the glitter is kind of nice for like holiday season. Those are the palettes. You guys, if you just had to try to see this glitter one, because look at that glitter right there. Oh my god, don't judge my nails because I painted them today. But look at all of that glitter. Let me see if I can lower the light down just a little bit so you guys can see. This is such an amazing glitter. Like, I just need to see it on my eyes. That's what I really need to see. I want to see how that goes on the eye. So we're going to go ahead and just start playing with these eyeshadows. Like I said, I'm more intrigued about the Biggie one. I'm going for like a 70s holiday vibe kind of look today, so that is what I'm going to do. Let me know what you guys think of the palettes down below when you guys first saw them on Instagram or on Trendmood's page. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Before I start, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, want to be part of my little family, make sure you guys are subscribed and hit the bell notifications to know when I post another video. So let's just go ahead and get started. So I'm going to grab the shade I Like It, and it's this shade right here. It's like a very contoury color. What I really like about these palettes so far is that it actually has like a little mirror. Not a lot of the mini palettes have mirrors, and I actually like it because this could be like really easy, like to go. If you want to just kind of take a palette like this to go when you travel, and it's obviously the right time to do so. This is amazing because it actually has like a little mirror. So if you guys don't have a mirror disposed to you, like in a hotel or anything like that, when you're with family, this is kind of cool that it has like a little mirror. So I'm going to be grabbing that, and I'm going to be adding this onto the crease and just making sure that we blend that all over on top here. And I'm slowly going to start winging this out. I'm also going to grab that same shade I Like It, and I'm going to start adding this to my lower lash line and just kind of blending that out right under the eye, and just kind of bringing all of this together. Now I'm going to grab this shade. This is the Outlandish, which is like a brown shimmery shade, and I'm going to attempt to put this on the crease and kind of blending that with the shade I Like It. And we're going to be adding this right into the crease and inner corner. I mean, it's a shimmery shadow, so I mean, you're going to get what you're going to get. We want to make sure that we blend that, and we're going to just kind of blend that all over the crease and kind of winging it out towards the out of the eye. Also going to bring this on the lower lash line and blending it in as well. I do want to say that I am so far not getting any fallout on this eyeshadow palette. Like, there's not much fallout at all. Like, it looks good, and I don't have any on my face either, which is good. You know, I feel like the palette is working the way I wanted it to. Everything seems good, which is amazing. I don't know what you guys are feeling about the palette. That is up to you guys. What are your guys' thoughts? But so far, everything seems to be going perfectly fine with the way this is working for me. I like it. And I feel like I'm liking the way I can kind of create a specific look, especially that it has like those browns, and you can get any of these colors and put it on the lid. Like, that is what I like about this specific palette. And that's why I'm using this one, because I feel like the colors just were like more my vibe. Now I'm gonna grab the shade Turn Up the Beat. I think it's turn the beat. And it's like a really duochrome. I don't know what it is. It has like a shift to it, but it's such a nice color, and I'm gonna be using that. I want to turn my finger. I don't know if you guys can see right here. Right here, I used it using the flat like brush here, but I kind of want to use my finger to see how I can play with that. So we're going to look. It looks like this. We're gonna go ahead and just kind of apply this to the outer corner and just kind of stamping it in there. See how pretty that color is looking there? Like, I like the fact that it has like a sheen to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of do the same thing on this eye. So you're better off using your finger for this shadow, because I feel like you're gonna get more payoff with the finger than with the brush. So just keep that in mind. And we're gonna just kind of blend that off a little bit so it doesn't look too harsh. Now we're gonna grab the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is their glitter adhesive, and we're going to be using this to add it to our lid, because we are gonna use that glitter shadow. We wanna make sure that it sticks and it's not falling off. So we're gonna use this and kind of just tapping it all over the eye. I'm not really a big fan of glitter, but I really want to try this and see how it works. So we're gonna just kind of do it on one eye first. I don't know how to like let it dry, to be honest. I've never really used this eye glitter. I've had it for a while, but never really used it. So let's see how it works. We're gonna grab a flat brush, and we're going to be using this. Should I get the flat brush or try to get my finger? Let's try the flat brush and see how that works. If not, then I'll go ahead and grab a little bit with my finger. So we're gonna grab the shade Glitter Scene, this one right here, and we're going to, I kind of poked it with my finger, and we're going to grab it like this. As you look, I want to show you guys. I have the brush here. I'm trying to grab a little bit right here, and that's all I'm gonna really get. Do you guys see that? So I'm gonna just see if I can grab it with my finger. I think it's just better off like that, and I can grab way more like that. So I'm gonna just kind of get that and tap it on the eye, and just to get it all over the lid. And then with maybe like a little flat brush, I can get really in there and just try to like put some on the edges with the brush. Okay, do you guys see how that looks? That is not bad at all. I like the way this is looking. It looks really nice. So we're gonna go ahead and do the other eye and see how that goes. This is the way it's looking. I actually like it. I do find it, it could be a little bit more like of a chunky kind of glitter. I don't know if you can see the way this looks, but it's looking like this so far. I don't hate it. I feel like I'm just not used to glitters that much. I tend to get away and shy from glitters. But I was like, you know what? It's a holiday season. Let's try some glitter. And I thought that glitter was nice, and it is. It has a little bit of shimmers of light blues. I don't know. It's just very holographic. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that. I feel like the camera just never shows how beautiful these shadows look. I'm going to be swatching these for you guys, and you guys are going to see. Now we're going to be putting in some eyeliner on. I'm going to be using the House Laboratories. This is their Identified Gel Liner in Blade, and it's like a silver one. Now I'm gonna grab the shade Disco Diva, which is this shade right here, and it's like a basically like shimmery white color, and I'm going to be using this to put it right here on my brow bone and just kind of adding a little bit of more of a highlight. Now that we're done with the eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and put some lashes and some mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back, and now that I put my lashes on, I decided to put some lower lashes because I feel like that kind of gives you like the 70s vibe look. It kind of opens up the eyes more. So for my lips today, I do want to use this House Laboratory. This is their Sparkle Lipstick in Burlesque, and it is such a beautiful red, like holiday like lipstick. Look how beautiful that looks, and it's like really shimmery. So I want to use this, apply this on. Okay, so this is the final look. So let me know what you guys think of this look in the comments below. I actually really love the way this Boogie eyeshadow palette came out. I feel like it's really easy to use. Honestly, I didn't have a hard time. The only thing I was like iffy about was that glitter. But as long as you kind of let the adhesive dry down, the glitter looks really nice. I just noticed I had red lipstick on my lips. Let me know what you guys think on the comments below. If you guys like this look, give this video a thumbs up and a comment down below. Let me know which palette are you guys eyeing. What do you guys think? Let me know. Thank you guys so much. If you guys are not following me on my Instagram and Twitter, you guys can go ahead and follow me there. I'm always posting there. And thank you guys so much, and I hope to see you guys soon. And I feel like I still have red lipstick on my lips. Why does this happen all the time? I don't understand. I don't know. Okay, you guys, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye.